What's up, everybody? This is CryptoBox with another video. I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Consider subscribing to my channel so you can get daily updates. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about how Zoo Crypto World is right now going under some changes and updates and also some problems. So first off, I want to start off with there's a little bit of a downside right now where the key's price has almost halved yesterday. So it was $60 to $70 per key before, but as you can see now, it has reached around 40, and yesterday it was around 30ish. And also has the Zoo token also fallen really bad. Like it was $3, went down all the way to 99 cents, and it's I'm not sure if it's gonna recover or it's gonna not recover. Same for the key. You can check this information on poocoin.app, and then you can search up the key. So key would be just key token right here. So it's $39, as you can see. You can choose different hours, so I'm gonna go with 4 hours. And as you can see, it has taken a really big hit in the few days. So same goes for their token. So if we searched up Zoo, it would be, there you go, right there, this one. And also this one has gone really down. It was around $3, see, $3, and now it has gone to basically 99 cents. And so people, also the APR on staking has gone quite down since I've uploaded my staking video when it was around 2500 to 2700. Now it has gone to 19,700, which is still good. 1900 is still pretty good, and you can get still a bunch of money, but it is not 2500. But 1900 is still better than, like, 10 times better than Pancake Swap. But I'm not saying that Pancake Swap is bad. It's just that you can either go here or you can go there. If you don't like their Zoo token, or it has dropped and you don't want to take any risk with Zoo token, yeah, you can go to Pancake Swap and choose a different pool. Or you could even use these different pools here. They're all 100%, and really depends on the pool you're choosing. So as you can see, this USDT pool was around 300% last time I saw, or when I looked at it in depth, but now it has dropped to 99%, which is not really as good. And also there's a reason for this. It's that the total amount staked, or TVL, total value locked, has gone down since I uploaded. I think it was around 42 million or 43 million. And so around $3 million has been unstaked, meaning that it has taken quite a big hit since I've uploaded, and that just affected the APR/APY to go down, and maybe also the key or Zoo token. I'm not sure with what happened with the Zoo token. The Zoo token for some reason has taken a hit. I'm guessing it's from people using the mining camp, and they would mine a lot of Zoo tokens and they just go straight to swapping and swap it with BUSD or USDT. So that just made it harder for the Zoo token to actually stay stable. And same for the key. People have been staking and making a lot of money from the pools that they started unstaking because they're satisfied with what they made. So they unstake and they swap their key straight away because they've unstaked and they don't want to keep it. And so that just started making the price drop of the key. Now there is one thing. One thing is that they've started a event kind of thing, and this is where you can rank and get key rewards. So I think they might have taken some keys from like combat or farm, or I'm not sure, somewhere from there, to use it for this event. And this is supposedly round 2, and there was like a round 1 before, or the first event, and now this is the second one where people can place top 100 for a total reward of 1,235 keys, 1,235 keys. And also NFT hash power leaderboard, 1,235 keys. So if you go to where is this? Sorry. leaderboard, player hash power. So whoever is in the top 100 right now would get paid whatever is written on the leaderboard ranking there. So if you were like the fourth guy, Russo Crypto, and he has a lot of hash power, as you can see. So he's making bank from just mining camp. So if you were the fourth one, you would go back to notification and you will check the fourth one. So he is getting paid 60 keys, and so that could be around, you can pull out the calculator to check for yourself. I'm gonna do this myself also, times 39. He's making $2,340 from just staying in the top 4. And then for the NFT hash power leaderboard, so you would go, this is for a single NFT, and as you can see, the highest hash power in one singular NFT is this guy with the duck, and he has 3 stars on it, level 30 basically. And so he has 6,700 hash power, which is really insane. Like, that is, in one NFT, is insane. So you can go back to notification and you can see that he's getting paid more keys just for being in the top 100. I'm not really sure why there's 2 golden pigs here. So it might be that he has 2 really high hash power cards, so that means he's getting paid twice for being like top 100 twice. So he's gonna get paid for 5th and 6th. If you can go to leader, the notification, 5th and 6th, he's getting around 95 in total from placing 5th and 6th with just the NFT hash power. And so you will get your rewards from here, or they'll tell you either on how to collect your rewards. And so that's why there's some good news and bad news. I'm just filling you on the news of Zoo Crypto World today, and maybe I'll come back with a Mobox video or a new crypto game. So if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. I'm gonna see you guys later.